I hit the beat with a jab.
Get up, right. Front shoulder dip. Come on, go. Get up. In the air, you put it down. Set, go, go. Get out, get out. Foot. Foot. Go, go, foot, go.
I'm riding in the cool. I'm the true that money running. I might just take me. How about you? You should get on it.
Go. Foot, foot, foot. Get out, settle. Good. All right, hey, stick tight to the cone. Go. Foot, foot, foot. Go. Settle. Go, go, go. Foot, go. Go. Fast, 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 fast. Foot, go. Settle. Good. Go. Break. Go. Break. Go. Good. Get the front shoulder dipped a little. Yeah. Go. Break. Break. Don't guess. Break. Good. Right here, you kind of short stepping in because you anticipating the break. So, because you was going like this, I want you to still gain ground here. Break. Feel me? Don't guess. Just react. Plant, point, tuck your chin. Arms, arms, arms. Go. Break. Hold on. I don't like that. Faster, faster, faster. Lag. Yeah. Tuck that chin, because you running with your chin up like this, you slowing down. Go. Break. Good. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Go. Oh, crossover. Come on. Go. Finish. Good. Ah! I need it. React. Go. Go. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Go. Oh, one more. Go. Go. Good, 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 good. Snap your eyes at the cone. Ready? Go. Break. Go. Break. One more. Break. What you thought of your breaks?
I think my angle was off.
Yeah, the last angle was especially off. Yeah. But this one, I feel like you kicked the bucket both times. Like you ain't getting grounded. Hey, gain ground. Ready? Go. Break. Break. Get out. Break. Go. Hold on, Jay. Hey, weight dip. Front shoulder. Go. Break. Get out. Good. Gain ground, gain ground. Get out. Front shoulder dip. Front shoulder. Get out. Good, good, good. Go. Break. Gain ground. Faster. Go. Back. I don't like it, honestly. You too high when you go in here. This foot up in the air for too long though. Look, when you break, this foot too in the air. You put it down. Yeah, right here. Don't go up here. Go here, here. Get out, smooth low. Hey, faster, faster, faster feet. Go. Break. Good, good, good. Get out. Go. Front shoulder dip. Come on. Go. Get out. Good. Good. Good shit. Step. Step. Look at me. Step. Step. Break. Get up. You see the concept? Because I'm pulling him. I'm breaking earlier than him, so he has to get out. And the first part is, you know, keeping that low. Yeah. Shoulder dip right here. Yeah. Step. 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 Break. Get up. And then, boom, I'm gonna break, finish through my hand with the secure tackle, finish through hand. Step, 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 break, get up. Yeah. Go, 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 get up. Good. Step, 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 break. Step, 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 break, get out, get out. Step, step. Hold on, faster. Hey, step faster, 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 faster. Good. Set, set, set. Break. Get out. Good. Better, 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 better. Good. Go. 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 Now. Ready. Go. 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 Get out. Go. Come on. Nah, that's not the standard though.
I know. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
You don't care about. I'm just saying like this.
Yeah.
I already know. Yeah. It's 500 up.
Yeah. Step. 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 Break. Get out. Good. Go. 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 Get out. Break. Look at me. Look at me. Look. Gain ground right here. Step. More. Get out. Go. 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 Break. Get out. Good. Go. 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 Get out. Step. 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 Set, go, get out. Good. It's not really a hop. Yeah. It's a crossover, like shuffle type. Go, 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 Set. Get out. Go. Read. Back pedal. Go. Foot. Go. Read. Back pedal. Go. Foot. Right.
Hey, there we go, right? There we go.
Read. Back pedal. Right. Foot.
That was J.E. Hey.
Read. Foot. Go. Foot. Right.
Right? Yeah, right?
Don't raise up. Read. Back pedal. Right. Foot. Go.
Hey, good rep.
Finish.
Don't let him.
Good. Read. Back pedal. Right. Foot. Right.
Yeah, right?
You know what I'm talking about? More composed.
I'm out of like rhythm.
Yeah, exactly.
Gotta go.
Because your arms follow your leg speed. Good drill that we used to do too is rhythm running. So
Yeah.
just like walking with it. Read. Back pedal. Go. Foot. Right.
Yeah, right?
All the way down. Fully extend. All the way. Yeah. 2. Yeah. 3. 4. 5. 6.